Islam affect the whole people when the Islam recognize the robbery as a male ganimat. Literally, the male ganimat means the robbery or the dacoity or the loot, and this robbery only against to the non-Muslims. At that time, the Jews and Christians were living there, and they were being looted by Muhammad and his companions so many times. Because Jews were the prosperous, they were the businessmen, or they were the landlords. They have lot of money. But the new Muslims who adopted the Islam with the Muhammad in Makkah, known as Muhajirin, and the first Muslim converted from Jews and Christian in Medina, known as the Ansar, both were poor and barbaric in nature because they have no work for to do anything. Even though Muhammad wife Khadija bin Khuwailid, who was a Christian, born Christian but converted to Islam, the first lady of the Islam, and Muhammad was the first Muslim of the Islam. Muhammad abrogated all the business of the Khadija bin Khuwailid because Muhammad invented a new business, that was the robbery. Looting or robbery the caravans of the rich Jews on the Silk Route, Medina to Jordan, Syria, Iraq, Egypt. And because Medina is offshore the sea, so some and the same route, the Muhammad ambushed so many times, tried to rob the caravans of the Abu Sufyan, and the resultant was the trench war. And so many wars were concluded by Muhammad. That is the attack on the caravans, attacks on the crops, attack on the wealth or the caravans, and captured so many women for fulfill the lust of the Muhammad companions. The basic factor of a man is the fulfill his lust or the sensual desire, fulfill his wealth. So Muhammad took a easy way of the robbery, and this robbery was certified by Muhammad as a good work, as a holy work. And this robbery